I have seen in Shillong Times. It has come yesterday. When I saw the statement, shortage of cops to fight against coal illegalities. I don't agree. Somebody misled him, or he doesn't know the ground reality, what is really happening. I'm also from the coal belt. Every time I'm traveling from Shillong to Williamnagar at night. Okay, I agree when there's shortage of police. But we fought underground very nicely during our tenure. Then how come? If they say shortage of police, how come we fought nicely? And now they are saying shortage of police. But I saw on the national highway, every 100 to 100 meter police vehicle, what they are doing on the national highway? Daina Dubi to Nowar Bibra, whom they are protecting. And when he say illegalities, how come this word of illegalities coming from the government? These illegalities coming from his statement because all government missionaries are with them. If they instruct administration, police department, look into the matter, I don't think the word of illegalities will not come. I feel especially in East and South Garo Hills, district administration miserably failed. That's why these illegalities, lots of illegal trucks are applying at night after 9-10 o'clock. And when he says shortage of cops to systematize, I don't agree to that. That's what I want to question. Why police vehicles are on the national highway? What for? When minister himself is giving statements shortage of cops, these cops, police vehicle, what they are doing on the national highway, I want to question him. If it is a shortage of cops. That's why I said, full government missionaries are with them. That's why they are using the word of illegalities now.